Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today I got a quick video for you guys on what is the best lift kit for you. So basically I've got a lot of questions on what lift are you gonna get, or a leveling kit, or what lift's best for me. So I wanted to make this video to show you guys out what lift kit could be best for you for your trucks. So there's a lot of different lift kits out there. They have like the 6-inch, the 4-inch, they have the coilovers, they got the leveling kits, and I'm here to tell you guys, show you, what kit could be best for you based on your preference. So let's jump right into the video. Before we get started, if you guys are wondering what I've done to this truck so far, I have a link in the description to Amazon where you can actually purchase every single mod done to the truck so far. And you can also just watch the playlist that I have on YouTube, and it'll show you the step-by-step progression of where the truck was and where it is today. And also, if you're wondering how you can make a little bit of extra money online, start investing, I do have some links in the description for Robinhood, M1 Finance, Coinbase, and Webull. You can go ahead and get some free stocks, pretty much free money. So why not take advantage of that link and get some free stocks, get some free money, start investing for your car mods or truck mods or anything you want to do to your trucks. So there's a lot of different lifts out there, and it really depends on your preference. I mean, they have a ton of different companies that are really great companies. For example, Ready Lifts, Super Lifts, BDS, Rough Country, Zone, Kings, Fox. So there's a ton of different options out there that you can pick from, and I'm here to tell you basically what kit could be best for you based on your preference. So for example, let's jump into the first one. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Rough Country lift kit. Now this is for the people that are looking to have a lift kit but be on a budget. Lift kits can be very expensive, and anything that you do to your truck basically for suspension and tires is going to be very expensive. So Rough Country is a nice, good, affordable lift kit. You can definitely get a 4-inch lift to a 6-inch lift for a base about $1,000 lift kit for any of your trucks. I think they start at about $1,999 for the base lift kit. And honestly, I think that's a great deal. And Rough Country's been around for over 50 years, and they're a really reputable brand. And this is for the person that is looking to get a nice lift, get the nice stance on the truck to make the truck look good, have a decent performance out of it. It's definitely not going to be the most luxurious ride quality, but it's not a bad ride quality. It's actually a lot of them is really good. A lot of people say that it just rides just like stock. And so Rough Country is a great option for people that are saying, you know what, I want to get a lift kit, but I'm not looking to spend $5,000, $10,000 on the lift. I just want it to look good and to perform relatively well. So I recommend Rough Country as a lift kit for guys that are looking to, like I said, get their truck lifted and make it look good and have a nice normal ride. They're not looking to do any kind of crazy off-roading or a crazy mud bogging or anything like that. So let's jump into a different kind of lift kit. Let's go into BDS, because BDS is a whole nother level when it comes to lifting your trucks. So BDS is probably like one of the best top quality brands that you can get. Now with the top quality brands, you're going to get a top high-end price on these things. So a BDS kit can come in many different ways. I mean, you can do coilovers, which is basically, instead of having a little spacer in between your strut, they would take out the actual whole strut and coil, and you'll get a full new set. So you're not going to have a spacer, so obviously you're going to have better ride. You're able to adjust the height of it. You can adjust the dampening, the softness, so you can definitely customize it way more than you can with Rough Country kits. And like I said, it comes with the price of being able to do these things. So this is for the people that are looking to have a nice, really good suspension, where you look under the truck and you're like, wow, he's running a BDS full kit. And then Fox, they usually run Fox coilovers or Fox shocks in the back, and those are really nice for a really great quality ride, very quiet, and rides better than stock. I've heard people say that the BDS kits ride better than stock, as in the ride quality. So you can, it feels like you're riding on a cloud almost. So that would be the next best one for you. And I would say that comes in at a price. They probably start at like $1,800, and they go up to like $4,000 to $5,000 depending on what kind of system you're getting. And so I would say that's probably like the one up above Rough Country, just based on just lifts. Let's go into a different kind of style. Maybe you're not looking for aesthetics wise, you're looking for actual performance. So King and Fox Racing is going to be probably the best ones for the off-roading package, I would feel. So if you're one that wants to do a lot of mud grappling and mud bogging and go off-roading on the trails and just do full sends up and down the mountains, definitely King and Fox. Now these are going to run to like 3 to 4 inch. You're not going to see 6-inch kits with this. Like I said, they're made for more of the Raptor kind of guys that are looking for that absolute off-roading beast with mud grapplers and to have insane suspension dampening and all that. So that's definitely a different lift for you. For me, I don't really intend on going off-roading too much. I don't really, because I usually just take this as my daily driver. I usually just take it to work. So definitely not one for me. But if you're someone that wants to, you know, make their truck into an off-roading vehicle, a lot of people will use the Tacomas to do off-roading because they're light and they're compact and they're small and they have really good suspension. So people use the Tacomas. But for my F150, I just feel like that one's not for me. I'm definitely more into like a nice 6-inch lift, but that could be something for you if you are looking to do that. All right, so there you guys go. Those are basically the 3 kinds of lifts that you can be done for you. So like I said, we have the rough country lift, which is the basic. You want to get the looks, you want the standard performance, you want, you know, for a nice cheap price, get the rough country kind of kits. Then you can move into BDS, which is more of a luxurious rough country. So you do get the aesthetics and you do get the actual better performance. So better off-roading, better normal driving on the paved way, but it does come at a more expensive price. And then we do have more of the off-roading guys, so you can go with King or Fox Racing or Vertex, and those guys are for the like I said, the mud bogging, the mud grappling, and the trailing up and down the mountains to the trails. And so, like I said, those are the ones that are not going to be for the aesthetics more. They're more for the performance of it. So you're not going to see, you know, 6-8-inch lifts, polished aluminum. You're not going to see powder coated suspension. You're going to see just basic parts that perform really, really well. All right, so there you guys go. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, would you leave a like so that YouTube would share this with other people and that we can reach out to a bigger audience? And like I said, if you're wondering what I've done to the truck, link in the description down below. And also comment back to me what you guys have on your truck so far, suspension wise. I'm probably gonna be running the rough country kit because I'm not, like I said, I'm not really one to do off-roading, and I'm not one to be dropping $5,000-$10,000 on a lift, or $2,000 to $5,000 on a lift. I think a $1,000 to $2,000 on a lift kit is totally fine for me. I've heard a lot of reviews about the rough country lift. I think they're great. People say they ride just like stock and they give you that nice look, so I think that's gonna be best for me. But everybody has their own opinions. Comment down below if you have any other questions, and I'd love to hear from you and get back with you guys. Other than that, we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.